you really need that. But I don't think that's the case, I'll just spit in my face. Well, everybody got an 8 on a kid, smoke an 8 to the face, that's the way that I live. So don't make no mistake with the blade to your ribs, cause I started from the bottom, dog, I came for the sticks. Suck on my dick, I've been coming to kill my mini suckers for dinner. Somebody please pass the mustard. Rapping, he was mumbling, motherfucker, but still they selling records, so I can't tell what's worse. Word, that really is the shit now. Every time you go to the bathroom, I bet you sit down. Fuck around with us and get the message like a pen pal. Catch me out in Washington, popping bottles with Denzel. Pro kicking instant noodles, one car, then we show up like a lift for move. A whole squad go hard, long distance shooters, and we stay on point like tits and hooters. Got a kid too slick like Rick the Ruler, and a weed so green like flicking boogers. And y'all over the soft ass sipping coolers. I'm a dog off the leash, I ain't getting neutered, nah. No, I don't got a 30 or 100 round, but I'm Terry Fox on the beat. I mean, it's fun.
That girl is a real family. Small world, all the friends know me. Young bull living like an old king. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Right now, still trying to get in. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drink. They lose it when the DJ drops the beat.
Spent a lot of time as a young kid doing dumb shit for the hundreds. Let it hit me 3 grand just to show up at the function. It gets something like second. The shot done it when it's never stops. Stepping dinner and your cruise all squares like crop in the picture. We get paper like the top of the printer to be shot to the living from this bottom of the liquor.
I get excited, I should probably try to slow down. We used to pick up 20s, now we buy it by the whole pound. They used to talk shit, but they show up at our shows now. Trying to get a picture in the lobby of our hotel. Oh well.
Stomp down killers. Still Bomb Records, 100 man.
too low. Bump up and then jam. Bump up onto that root and then jam it. Go! Talking about my booty hole.
Oh my god. Why?
That was so bad. I can't even put my drink in there. My cup holders are full of fucking water.
Dirty, playing my way, so they say that I'm dirty, but I'm